My mic was muted. You guys missed all that. Oh well. Welcome to the stream. We're doing stuff. Pay attention. Don't pay attention. Listen to the music. Chill out. No one cares. Have a good time. Let's get a trade going here. What I want to look at is the differences. If you don't want to hold something for a long time, so we'll check it out. We're still pretty good here in the RSI, not hitting a big drip. This would be a decent time to buy. So let's get a little bit of it. All right, let's buy some. 22.55. Let's buy. Let's see, what do I got? 0.005. We'll do 0.003.
You said you had the Chesapeake stocks on Robinhood?
Yeah, I got some Chesapeake Energy.
Did you ever get any Sprint?
No, I didn't get Sprint.
I wish I was asking.
By the way, if you're curious as to what we're talking about, just sign up for my Robinhood linked below. You get a free stock anywhere between $3 and $150 value. If you don't want to use it, you want to cash out, you hold it for 3 days, cash that sucker out, money made, nothing lost. If you want to hold it, you know, why not? It's free money. Gamble with it, make some risky trades. If you make money, great. If you don't, you know, whatever, man. I gotta get my buy order in here before the price goes up. And you distracted me and the price went up.
Well, get your order.
Oh, it's too late. You don't want to buy up into the swing like that.
Why not?
You cut me out of probably 2% gain there, buddy.
Go ahead and join in. I'm sure it's about to pop
2,
up.
3, 11. Let's buy it.
Oh, that jumped real high.
Holy dongles.
Yeah, you bought in at the wrong time.
No, I got in at 23.11. It was about here. But this is what I was talking about, you know, kind of what sometimes people call a dead cat bounce. It's not quite as big as it was here, but we're seeing a lot of fluctuation in this. So we'll probably hold that for a little while. We got our buy order there. We got in at 23.10. So we'll go ahead and slap a long position there on the graph at 23.10. So we can kind of see where we want to be trading. Alright, so we'll hold that. I'm checking it out. We're still climbing, you know, still doing good. I'm looking to exit this. If we keep with this upward trend and the spikes, let's get out at 23.80. So I'm going to go ahead and set up. $23.80 max, sell, confirm. Now if we get that little bit of price bump, we'll go ahead and make a little bit of profit there. What would we have made if we can get the 23.80? Get price range all the way up to the 23.80. About 3%. That's not bad. That's not bad. Make 3% trade there. We're pretty close to the top of the list here. We'll probably get that sold here in just a minute. Maybe now. We're coming up a little bit. At the top, hopefully we'll make a little bit of money there. Ooh. We'll watch. We'll watch. See what she does. Give me a little more room for the chart. I want to stay kind of towards the top. This is an easy way to trade without risking an awful lot. You can watch the percentage difference between the buy book and the sell book. And you know, if you got a big enough gap in your Satoshis between buy and sell, you can make a little bit of money pretty quick, or you can lose a little bit of money pretty quick. You know, it's kind of how much you're watching and how much you're willing to take and willing to lose. So right now, I'm I'm fearing that we might drop a little bit. I got in at 23.10. I could probably cancel my buy order. Get out at, I don't know, 23.70. Let's try that. Lose about 80 Satoshi on the deal, but I'm not too mad about it. Ooh. Got a pretty big sell wall there. Somebody's muscling around. That's about $1,000 worth. Yeah, we're hitting a little bit of a pullback there. And we're still in a decent position. We had to get out. We could. I'm gonna go ahead and exit here at 3:30. Go ahead and we'll cancel that. We'll exit at 3:40. Make a little bit of profit. Get out of there. Get ourselves on top of the sell list. Alright, sell filled. Let's see what we made. We got in at 21.10, got out at 23.39. So that's 29 times 88, made 2,500 Satoshi, about $2.50. You know, good deal. Check the wallet there, see what we're up to. 81, yeah, it makes about right. It was about 79, so made about $2. Not a bad trade, not a bad trade. Let's check out what else we got going on over here. What are we trading? Let's see. Check out some Einsteinium. See what we got going on here. If we can keep this downward trend here, be a good spot to buy in a quick position. You know, we want to see our green line kind of fork down. We want to see some big pullbacks like this. We're not quite oversold on the RSI. We're sitting pretty, you know, so this isn't what I'm looking to get into. Let's look at mana. Let's go ahead. Get that pulled up. 127% for the day. I think that's a pretty big increase, you know. Sounds like maybe a lot of hype, maybe a little bit of room for some quick money making action. Let's check it out. Oh man, look at that. That has just gone completely parabolic.
Damn.
We don't want to buy in right there because, you know, we're way overbought. I mean, it could keep going up because you're right there, and that parabolic move, it's extremely bullish, but I wouldn't feel safe getting in that close to the top. Let's bring her back out. See, got some resistance right up here, but it also had a pretty good pullback. I mean, this could go parabolic just like it did earlier, you know, because we're sitting right there. I think if we can break through here, I might put in.
This is showing them what we're talking about, right?
What do you mean?
Like, they're seeing what you're doing right here,
Yeah.
and then they can see us down in the little corner.
Us, yes. This is what it looks like on YouTube.
Nice. So you gotta teach me how to do stuff like that. Hey, Connor's in there.
Sorry, man. Had the window over the chat. I couldn't see it. What's happening, brother? Just trying to make us some money tonight. You know, chill out, hang.
Is he one of the ones that signed up with you?
I don't think Connor signed up with me at all. Get in on that Robinhood, Connor. Click that link in the description. Make some freaking money.
He actually just messaged me.
Let's see here.
Replied to my comments on YouTube. Right.
Heck yeah, man. I'll give you a shout out. My brother Connor Gibson, homie, hooking it up. About to get on these intangible coins. Reply to my comments. Nice. We got you, bro. We got you. Don't worry. Don't worry. Let's see about getting in here before this thing frickin' goes extremely... Oh, yeah. See, it's a good thing we waited. We're still oversold, but we're not so oversold that we couldn't still possibly make profit. But I'm kind of weary about it. I don't know if I want to get into that right now. What do we got over here? Who's talking? What's happening? Who's sending me messages? Oh yeah, I should post that I'm live. What's my address here? Right here? Copy. Paste. Sorry guys, I'm gotta let people know I'm going live. Yeah, see, it's a good thing we didn't buy in here because we're getting out of a pullback. We're just getting back into the just under overbought. So we want to see it. We want to get oversold when we buy in on a quick swing like what we're trying to do. Yeah. Let's see here. I'm live. Check it out. Oh, I never changed the name of the PM crypto chart review, man. This is the nightly stream, my dude. There we go. I don't know if that updated. Anyway, we'll get back into the crypto trading here because I know that's what you guys are here for. Obviously, I gotta do a quick shameless plug. I'm in the BitConnect platform here. I think I'm about $200 in at the moment. Let's check her out. I just made my $3 today. Let's see. I need home. Apparently I gotta log in. You'll never know. Don't worry about it. While we're waiting for this to bounce here, let's see where we're at. We can go ahead and get rid of these because we already made our profit. We'll keep watching this. We want to see the blacks. We want a dip. We want the green line to come below the white. We want some heavy blacks just like this, right where we got in before. We want to get in on that again. We want to ride it up. Obviously, we want to try to identify it a little more early this time. Let's see. Einsteinium, just some lateral movement. Not a lot of movement here. There's some players I've made some positions on during the day here so far. So, what's the deal? Is BitConnect down?
Ain't not the robot.
What's the dealio? Well, it might be down right now. Who knows? No one knows. I don't know. You don't know. If you know, tell me.
Hashtag dope.
What are you watching now? Get them free stocks, guys. Hook it up. Join up Robinhood. You get a stock. I get a stock. I'll be adding a series to the channel here where I trade with the Robinhood stocks. I've got no money invested in there so far, and I'm sitting at about $16 to $17 and made a couple of gains. If you don't want to keep it and you want to cash out, hold it for 3 days, cash out, make money. Looks like we're about to get this dip on Einsteinium here. Let's get over here. Let's find out where we want to buy in at. We probably want, let's see. We're going to go big here. We're either going to win some or lose some here. I'm not going to be playing around. Let's give it 120 action. We'll buy max. We'll get all we can. I'm going to try to raise the price up. I bought out that order. I raised the price. So we're at 199. You know what I'm going to do here? I'm going to go 180. I'm going to sell immediately. I'm going to try to make some quick profit there. You know, that's what you get whenever you get a pretty big difference here between your buy orders and your sell orders. Right now I'm at the second place here. This guy's got a little bit of a buy wall in front of me, driving down the price. Being an asshole. Dang. Price went down. We got in too soon. So now we're going to have to hold. We're going to have to hodl for dear life. So we're going into the oversold territory. This is where I say you can win some or you can lose some pretty quick. Either way, that's the risk we're taking here. I got in at 19,120. Now we're down to 1808. Man, I should have waited. Oh well. We're going to go ahead and keep that sell order active. So when we come back up past that, so let's go ahead and toss this on the chart here, a long position where we got in, and show you how much I'm losing because I'm stupid and I'm new to this, you know, whatever. I'm having fun. See, we got in 19,120. Got in way too soon, guys. Way too soon. 19,120. There we are right there. You see that? I'm already almost lost 2%. But I'm pretty confident we're going to get a pretty good bounce here, and I'll be able to make my 2% on it. We'll keep an eye. You know, we've got some support down here, so I'm not too worried. You know, different support lines. I'm not too worried when we go past here. We see some resistance up here at the 19,770 level. You know, so good potential to make a little bit of money. I'm going to go ahead and leave my sell order filled there. Hopefully we'll make some money and not lose some money. But I'm doing it for you guys. I want you to know how it is, what happens. And, you know, if you don't do your research, you could lose your ass. Who knows? You getting this, Batman? Yeah? You're not talking then?
That's Fat Man to you.
Fat Man? Alright. This is the homie Fat Man here, you know, hooking it up.
Hashtag Fat Life Forever.
Let's give myself another self-plug over here on the Twitter, because I forgot. Twitter, thanks much.
Oh. You have to give me a more comfortable chair. I'm going to bring like a game chair or something.
Forget that other chair, homie. It's just a regular chair. Didn't swivel, but
yeah,
that don't matter. We live.
Wait, send me that link on my Facebook so I can send it to her on Snapchat.
Nah, man. You just tell them you come right in here, watch the YouTube live.
That's what I'm doing.
We streaming. They're signing
that's
up.
what I
on me.
mean. Like, send me the YouTube link.
Boy, I ain't trying to send no YouTube links.
What? You trying to get viewers? Yeah. They're starting to go back up. It's about to jump.
Yeah. Well, based on previous history, I mean, we kind of had a long ways down. I probably shouldn't have bought in so early, but you know what? I don't care. I'm learning. You're learning. But I can tell you, if the price doesn't go up, I will have lost a whole crap load of my money.
Is Connor still watching?
What did I even buy? How did I get clicked on the different page here? What am I selling? Are we on Einsteinium? Yeah. Okay, never mind. I didn't lose a whole crap load. It was a little bit of a crap load. But I don't know who's still watching, man. Hopefully everybody's watching. Here's the link. The linko.
That's the wrong one.
No, it ain't.
You sending it to Chase too?
Chase gonna watch again. I don't care what he's doing. Send it to everybody. Go ahead and post on the Rego Facebook here. We're gonna try to just hold this position, guys. I'm pretty confident it's gonna come back up here. I'll show you some other stuff here in just a second. kind of how I identify where to buy and where to sell. I'm not great at it. I'm learning. You're learning. Let's learn together.
You're gonna have some great thumbnails for this video.
I'm sorry, man. The music, I can't help but bang my head. I'm sorry. That's just me. Do I even have any? I went all in because I thought it was gonna go big and go parabolic, so I don't got no more money for no other trades. I could take the L for you guys so we could keep on trading.
This is where you teach them the lesson. You don't spend all your
Always
money at one place.
cut losses. If you can't get in at the right time, I should have cut my losses already, because now we're down into the
If I were you,
2% range, which in all truth is not a bad range. Honestly, on my trades, I'd like to have a profit of 10%, a loss of 2%. That's where I want to stop losses and stop profits, so you can be safe and not lose too much money. But you know what? On these quick little trades like this, you might have to hold it. But I'll tell you what, if I would have held this coin earlier today, I was bought all in with this coin. If I would have held it, I could have doubled my money. But I didn't. Learn from me. Let's check out what we're sitting here. Go over to the global currency. You know, I kind of checked these guys out, and I read their white page, and you know, they're alright. I kind of get what they're trying to do, but it's not really any different from any other coin. It's just that they're so new on the market. They've had this huge explosion of growth, and they're kind of coming back down off of a pretty big jump. This is the 5-day here. They ran up about 120%, and as you can see, I had another one here where I had to get out of because I thought we were going parabolic again because we had a correction, but we didn't. Whatever. Things happen. This is why you start small. You start with a small amount of money you can afford to lose. Learn how to make your trades. Start making money. Alternatively, you could invest in BitConnect if I could get it to open. I could show you. You make a $100 loan, make roughly 1% a day. They've got a trading bot and a volatility trading platform. The more you loan, the more percentage you make, obviously. I would recommend starting with about $100. I'm going to verify the CAPTCHA, you know, because I'm not a robot. They want to make sure. So right here, you know, I'll close that up. Got about $10 in BCC coins because I just did another loan today. Let's see what we got. We want to go to transactions, show you. This is what we put in. This is what we've got out. The lending wallet. We made our profits today. I've got a $220 in there. You know, made our $2 profit. Bitcoin Cash. Got no Bitcoin Cash. Bitcoin wallet. Got a little bit of ins, got a little bit of outs. That's where I made my money to do the trades with. It's right here on BitConnect. It's a great platform. Invest a little. I've actually got a little spreadsheet here to show you if you could toss in $210 like I got in it now. At the average, this is the last 6 months, about 0.9% a day. You know, Einstein said something about compounding. I can't remember the exact quote. Do it. Something, if you know about compounding, you're earning it. If you don't, you're paying it. You know, should have had that one ready. Sorry. Basically, what name of the game is compound interest here with BitConnect. You get paid out just a little under 1% a day. So you invest your $210. Looks like 6 days in, we're going to throw another $10 at it. 11 days in, you know, this is money you're getting out for $10. I would suggest an 80-40 strategy. Reinvest for 80 days. We'll come on down here to the 80-day mark. You'll about double your money in about 80 days. So $420. That's exactly double in 80 days. Okay, so now we're making, you know, almost $4 a day. as opposed to the $2 a day, and you take profits for 40 days, you know, because now you've got your money in, and you always get the money back out that you put in. It's held for 299 days. You're making a loan to the platform. You're loaning them money to trade with, and they're paying you profits daily at about 1%. You know, they're hooking it up here. And the more you can invest, the more you can make. I know these numbers get kind of silly here, but really it's the truth. I mean, you can go check out anyone on the YouTube channel, you know, Trayvon James, Craig Grant, Rhino M. They'll all show you how well the BitConnect platform works. You know, those guys started, you know, and there's really good money to be had in the referrals as well. I think there's 3 tiers, 5% for the first tier, 3% for the second, 2% for the third. So you get someone else sign up under you, make some good money. So let's come on down here to 299 days when I'll get my $210 back. So after 299 days, my $210 investment, I'm reinvesting every single day. You know, all my money, I've put that in there and I'm holding it because it's like my nest egg. I want to build my interest. I want to be able to make money. So now we're up to $2,960, $2,960 is what you've got invested in the platform. Not only on the 299th day will you get your $26, you'll also get your $210 back. So this calculator doesn't take that into account. It's just assuming you're reinvesting, which I would, or you could take your profits. I personally, at this point at 299 days, I probably, you know, I want to get myself something nice. I'm probably going to restart it over. I'm going to pull out probably, I don't know, maybe $1,000 or so and start it over. But if you keep going through the end of the year, that's 299 days. We'll go to 365 here. You know, fully reinvesting the whole year, every day. You know, log in every day, reinvest, make more interest the next day. Come on here down to 365. You got 5,000 in the platform. You're making $48 a day. That's about 19,000 a year, 17,000 a year. That's a minimum wage job. You know, actually that's more than a minimum wage job. $7.25 an hour might net you about 14,000 a year. You know, hook that up, invest that, spend a little bit of time, you know, 10 minutes every day reinvesting, get in there, and you've built yourself a nice little nest egg to live off of. You know, if you're working $10 an hour, you could quit your job at this point and live off your $48. You got to keep reinvesting though, because now your loans are coming out from your first days of reinvesting. You got to put that money back in. And see what this is doing here with the reinvest. Now that we're past the 1 year, what it's going to do is it's going to have you save up to $1,000, because the more you invest, the better percentage rate you get. You get a bonus percentage rate. So if you could toss $1,010 at it, your interest rate, you get a bonus 0.1%. So instead of just the 0.9%, you get a whole 1%. So what are we looking at there? You know, and this is a shorter term. They hold 100 to 1,000 for 299 days. They hold 1,010 to 5,000 for 230 days. So let's come on down here in 230 days and see what you'll have from your $1,000 investment. 230 days in, you've 10 times that money. 10 times. 230 days. 2/3 of a year. Great money. That's $100 a day. Stop reinvesting. What is that? $39,000 a year. You retire right there. You ain't got to keep going if you don't trust putting your money back in. But why not? If it's paying you so well, why not keep going? Why not keep compounding that interest? Let's come on down here to 365. 365, 38 times original investment. $38,000, $400 a day, $159,000 a year. Go live on a freaking yacht, man. I know you don't trust it. Keep updated with the YouTube. We'll keep watching it. We'll keep making sure we'll make money every day. Hey, are we making money yet? Ooh, we're getting close. Hold on. We'll talk about that again. We're getting close to the making money portion of this video. Well, we could have made money if I wasn't talking about BitConnect. Wouldn't have been a lot of money. I mean, I could have got into profits. I could still get out in profit right now. So I bought a 19,120. I could sell for 19,180. Actually, that's what I'm selling for, isn't it? Yeah, sell it. Insufficient funds. Oh, it already sold. Okay, we made profits already. What am I talking about? All right. So we got in at 119. Let's see what we made here. 119, 179, 60. So we got 60 times 30. We made another $1.80 so far. So we're doing good. You know, that's why you got to put in those sell orders whenever you're walking away. You know, you get your target profit zone and you walk away with it, you know. I could have made a little bit better. Let's see. Because we went at 19,180. So I didn't even make a whole percent, you know. But
you're already at the top.
I got out. You know what? I'm alright with it. I'm not worried. So let's check out what else we got here. How long have we been live? Is people chatting? Am I ignoring chat again? No, ain't no one chatting. It's just me watching or you watching someone. Yeah. Ain't nobody here. That's alright. We still love you though. You come in later. Come in now. No one cares. We'll make money all night. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's check out Facebook. Heck yeah. Sister shared my post. Appreciate that. Big old shout out. Better get in on this Bitcoin. I'm telling you, we're making money. Ooh. Could be time to buy in another position. I mean, I know we just got in and out, but you know what? Could be money to be made there. Let's check this out. If we'd have been watching that, could have made some money, but we weren't.
Does it notify you when someone shares it?
No. Well, I mean, Facebook notifies you when someone shares your post, but...
Oh, I just shared it to Facebook.
Good. Share it all around. Share it everywhere. We're trying to make money. We're trying to help everyone else make money. Realize this. Cryptocurrencies... Cryptocurrencies are not in a bubble right now. I can show you that they're not. Give me a second. Let me pull up the good old Bitcoin right now. I think we're trading at just over 14,200, something like that right now. I know it's scary. It's not a typical stock. Right now, Bitcoin is worth more than Disney. I just want you to understand that. As far as a market cap, it's bigger than Disney. It's bigger than U.S. Airlines. I mean, it's here to stay. What are we at on Bitcoin right now? 14,399. Bitcoin's up 2% today. Go ahead and go full screen with this for a second.
Oh my God,
so you can.
your live's about to end.
It's never gonna end. We ain't ever gonna stop. So let's check this out. Let's go ahead and look at the year to date, the 1 year here. All right. So this is the trend for Bitcoin for the year, and I've got some stuff here. I think I deleted. I'd had a little thing that I saved. Let me see if I can find that and pull it up. You know what? I bet I can, because I bet it's right here in this group.
Why don't you feature some channels?
I will. I'll feature some channels. But it's not really that great unless you can get them to feature you back. I know. I don't got no info in there. I'm sorry, guys. There ain't no info about me. I'm just a guy from little nowhere town in Oklahoma. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about who I am. Just know we talking about intangible coins. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to get in over here. I could be missing out on trades. We don't know. I made this graph already, and I showed the pullbacks and the corrections. I just got to find it. Here we go. Right here. Check it out. So this is what we got. Full screen me. I don't like going on full screen. So we've got the corrections. We've got the big runs and the corrections. Had a 50%, a 50%, a 39%, and another 68% correction. You know, we're expecting a 30% correction sometime this month, and then we'll hit 15K guaranteed by the end of December, possibly 16K. You know, these are healthy corrections. It's just no other stock has ever seen this kind of growth in the S&L 500 or the S&P 500. It's just not heard of, and that's why the big guys in Wall Street are scared to get into it, because they don't know what these kind of gains are like. They've never seen these gains. You know, they're scared, and I don't blame them. You know, never invest more than you're willing to risk. You know, it's a great philosophy. I don't know. Philosophy? What is it? How do you speak English? I don't know. You don't know. We don't know.
I assume it's philosophical.
Well, I mean, my opinions could be considered philosophical, of which everything contained here is an opinion and in no way financial advice.
Well, as Gage would say in one of his live Facebook streams, you not going to church is why your parents got a divorce.
I'm sure it is. But you know what? My parents didn't get a divorce. My mom died. All right. So we're getting a pretty big pullback here on EMC. Might be able to make some money here. I don't know. That's not a very big difference. I'm not too concerned about that. Man. So I think I'll be looking to get in again. All right. We got another little pullback in the way we've been going. I think I'm going to set a buy for 18,790. That's where I want to get in. 18,790. Actually, we'll do 780. I think it's going to go down. We're not going all in this time because I'm not stupid. I am stupid. Don't take my word for it. Alright. A little less profit margin potential, but less loss potential. Oh, I turned that down. Alright, so we're looking like we could keep trending downward. I might have got in a little too early. I don't know. Do I got a buy order?
Late,
oh, I got 17,800. Okay, so I'm not even on the spectrum. So I'm not too worried that I got in. So right now, I'm going to toss in about half here. Half of what I got. So we're going to go for 3, 5. Right? Yeah. 0.0035. You know, we get it in, so we're still coming down. 18,750. I'm gonna go 18,740. 18,740. No, I'm not. We're still coming down. We're still coming down. You got to be quick with these. You got to kind of anticipate where it might go. So I'm thinking we might get down and maybe 680. That's where I'm putting in at. That's where I'm going to try to get in this market. I'm going to try to get in at 680 here. We're going to try to accurately predict where we're going to go. Let's go ahead and get us a long position. We'll come on down to 18,680. That's where we're at. We'll have to get a pretty big pullback, but we're getting pretty close to the top of the chart, so I'm thinking we might just hit it. And we could go even lower. I don't know. I might cancel that out. I keep seeing that downward trend on the RSI. We are ducked under. We're in a big fallout here. Actually, I'm going to cancel because I think I can get a better deal. Let's go for 18,620. We'll wait a second and see where we go, if we go up or down.
Guess it's going to take a big old jump here in a second. You're gonna...
Yeah, we'll get in at 18,620. Oh, we actually bought there, so I want to get in a few more positions then. And I just want to Dang it. 18,404. Yeah, it kept going down. See this? I always get in too early because I'm impatient. I've already... That's a huge down spike. 2%. I'm hoping for a big bounce, alright? Because I can't afford to be losing no money. We got in at 18,679. So I'm going to go ahead and put my sell order in for... What do we think we'll get to? Probably bounce back up.
Alright, I'm going to go.
How about we can get to 18,900?
And grab my charger and I'll be right back.
Alright, have a good one, man. Have a good one. We'll go ahead and get our sell order in there so we can lock in those profits and hold. You know, we're probably going to have a big bounce. I mean, we're going to keep an eye on this one. We're not going to go away from it. Because I really... What's up? What's up? Sorry, I'm not even paying attention to the chat. I can't even do it. What do we got going on here? Got the notifications. Got these notifications. What other notifications we got? New subscriber. Man. Are we losing internet? What's up? What's happening? Is the stream good? Ain't loading for me. Are we good here? Streaming. We're green. Live for 43 minutes now. Oh man, those downtrends. I'm getting worried, guys. That's why I didn't go all in on it. That's why I did not go all in on it. Because I'm not patient. You know, it might be worth buying in another position at this price, though. I mean, what would we be able to get? Man, we are way oversold right now. Way oversold. Right here on the RSI. You can check that out. You know, buy and sell is pretty good. You know, got a lot of back and forth. These guys are buying and selling into a loss, though. I got to hold what I got. I got a position right here. I'm not trying to lose that much money. I'm trying to gain 2%. You know what I'm saying? We'll make them 2% trades. But I'm thinking about buying another position. You know, because if I buy in a better position down here at the bottom, where the bounce is, I could make better money. I'm gonna buy in at 100. Pull the trigger on this. Okay, we're hitting the upswing. 200, buy, confirm. Okay, I built myself another position. Right here. I got in at the right time on that one. So we're going to try to sell out. Oh, I didn't even get in? Cancel the sell. $18.20. God dang it. I didn't get in yet. Didn't get in yet. 18,266. Buy. I want a better position on this jump, man. Because if I can get a good enough position here, I won't be taking so many losses. do I want to be at to negate? Yeah, 18.5. This ought to negate me. Put in my sell order. Okay, so we're hoping for that jump up to 18.5. Make us some money. Well, make a little bit of money. Almost nothing, because I got a pretty big loss here. So we're kind of getting that sweet spot of 1% loss, 2% gain. So it'd be a 1% win overall. That's what we're looking for. Remember, compound your interest. Make money. Oh, nobody's watching. Is the stream even up? We're gonna pause. We're gonna pause. All right. Should be back. Should be good to go. Should be making more money live, you know, like we do every night around this time. We'll be playing World of Warcraft or making money. Who knows what it'll be? I'll let you know either way. Alright. We look good to be on the stream again. I'm sorry I had a little bit of service interruption there. So we're still getting some lateral movement and maybe another downswing here. Was I stupid buying in? Who knows? Ooh, maybe a big upswing. Maybe we'll make some money. Because I'm set to cash out at 18,500. I'm seeing a big up bar. I want to cancel. Cancel. I don't want to sell at that price. Have I sold already? No, I haven't sold already. What's the dealio? I need to refresh. Bittrex is being a little slow, man. I better get my profits. I got no... Okay, so I sold out. Okay, well I made profit. I'm not too worried. What are we at? What are we sitting pretty at? 81.32? Did I even make profit or did I lose money? 81.38. How you like them 6-cent gains? Everybody does. I got out too early, man. I got out way too freaking early. God. See this? See what happens? Could pay attention. Could be way up into the profits. I don't pay attention. You know what? I'm going to buy in another position right now. Give me this. Max. Buy. Confirm. Because I want it to be overbought. I want to get in. I want to get out. And then I want to do 19.2 max sell. So hopefully, you know, we'll get into that overbought range. We'll get up to that 19.2 range up here, maybe. Who knows? Maybe not. Maybe I'm stupid. Probably stupid. Oh well. That's the fun of it, guys. I mean, I'm not risking a lot of money. It's like 70 bucks that I got for free. Get out of here. Ain't nobody want to restart their computer right now. Let's cancel out. Let's stop loss. Got an 18.9. Sell, confirm, sell filled. We didn't lose much. I think we got in and out at the same price. We lost $1, maybe. Was it $1? Was it a whole dollar? Yeah, it was a whole dollar. We lost a whole dollar, but we got out. I'm scared, you know. I got that FOMO. I just don't know. We're getting the hook down on the RSI. We didn't get into overbought. I shouldn't have bought on the upswing. I knew that, but I did it anyways. Let's check out our other friends here. What do we got going on? That would have been a decent holder. You know what? Could have got in. We could have got in down here, but we didn't. Mana. Oh, my eyes, they hurt. Sorry, I know I'm weird. Ignore me. BitConnect. You know, get some of them loans in there. Got to make some of that money. Some of that $100, you know. Get it. All-time highs for BitConnect coins right now. 379, and they're just going up. It was at 378 when I looked just a minute ago. Do we have a potential to make money here? Alright, so we're going to ignore these charts for a second. What's going on? If I haven't said it already, get your free Robinhood stocks, guys. They're free. They don't cost you no money. Just a little bit of time. This is what I've earned today. I don't know if you could see that or not. Who knows? Let's see. Those are my free stocks for today. I got those for free from referrals. Anywhere from $3 to $100 worth of value. You get one whole stock. You can get a stock in Apple. You get a stock in Facebook. I think Facebook's about 180 right now. You know, check it out, man. Check it out. Hero, 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 hero. So right now we're sitting at about even for the hour. Haven't really lost any money. Haven't really made any money overall. Because we're still sitting at $80. I think what were we at, 79 when we got in here? But you know, Bitcoin went up. I could have lost money. Bitcoin's still rising. Right? Yeah, 1433, 1435. This thing is a monster. Now, this is where you fear a correction. Get out of here. Okay. Because the last pullback we had... This is the 1 day chart. This is the 1 day chart? I don't want to look at the 1 day chart. I ain't swing trading. I ain't hodling. Man, I'm going hard in the paint. You know what I'm saying? Here, give me the... Yeah, actually, give me the 1 month. Check out the 1 month. That's super moves. What was our last pullback? Price range. About 13%. Get out of here. And then this other pullback here. And that was only 3%. You can't really call that a correction. This could be almost considered a small correction, which it was. You know, went from 11,300, if you count the spike all the way down here, but down to 9,600. You know, that's a little correction. But we want to see something big. You know, 20 to 40% correction for healthy growth. Our buy order is filled. Our buy order is filled. I didn't know I was buying. I think these lag a little far behind, to tell you the truth. What's up, guys? Shoot me a comment, you know. Ask me a question. Ask me to check out a specific currency. You know, I'm in, checking them out, trying to learn. You're trying to learn. You know, check out some links in the comments. A lot of great resources down there. Obviously, the Robinhood free stock, I just cannot stress enough of how good a deal that is. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. Hold it for 3 days, sell it, cash it out, make anywhere from $3 to $100. No problems, you know, no questions asked. Get crypto certified. You know, you get, it's kind of stupid, but if you have questions about cryptocurrency, you get yourself one of these here crypto certifications from Future Money. Right now the course is free. You see the link below. It kind of goes through, it tells you everything about cryptocurrency. It tells you what Bitcoin is, how it's made, what the blockchain is. It goes into depth on how miners earn the rewards. It tells you about what it means to be decentralized and how that's good, not having a middleman, the peer-to-peer transactions. You know, it just goes into great depth. Whole course, I think, is about an hour and a half to hour and 45 minutes long. You know, it's great information. If you or your friends are trying to get into cryptocurrencies, you know, I advise checking it out and really getting in there and learning a little bit. And, you know, it's going to plug BitConnect in there. And if you want to get a small investment started, you know, you come in here with $100 on the BitConnect platform, you loan it up. I've got 210 loaned. All right, I've got in. I went ahead and did a second loan. I'm making my payments. They'll appear here in your lending wallet every day about the same time you put in. So I put this in at 12:45 and 1:30. So at about 2 o'clock today, I checked. I had my 1% interest. You know, but you can loan bigger. So my total investment, if this will load, I probably haven't clicked on it in a while, so I probably just need to refresh the page. Probably have to log back in, of course. Keep an eye on these stocks. I call them stocks. They're cryptocurrencies. I'm just used to stocks. Okay? I'm not a robot, I promise. Or am I? I would never tell if I was. Just like I'd never tell you if you were a clone. My total investment is $210. My total earned is $2.04. I got no affiliate bonus. I'm not making money off anyone. If you want to join under, it'd be great. Ask me all the questions. You know, I've got a group on Facebook. We're about 120 people strong right now that really goes into depth. They're willing to help out. Giveaways every day. I'll get that link down in the description as well. Where are we going to make our next trade, guys? Where are we going to make our next trade? Let's see. No comments. Where is the next trade? I'm not really seeing anything I can make a position on. Well, we might be able to get on some EMC here. So let's get that pulled up. Let's see where it's going, where it's gonna be. Let's see if I can time it right this time. Because you know I'm not good at it. Alright? I'm just learning. That's why I'm playing with a small amount, because I'm going to play with it, and you know what, if I lose the whole $80, I lose the whole $80. I'm not going to be too upset. But if I gain money and I build it into $150, $200, $300, I might throw a little bit more at it once I'm able to consistently make these gains every day and really try to make a go at it. Because if you can make a 10 to 20% gain a day on your $100 investment, in 1 week, 7 days, you could turn your $100 into about $500. And if you keep playing with that $500, you cash your $100 out, you know, you've made your money, you're not risking anything. You can just really kind of snowball the heck out of it. If you can consistently make your 10% trades, you know, if you can get up to the 20%, people who are really good at it can make 20%. I can't do it. But I've made pretty close to 10% a day on my trades so far. I started with about $50, you know, I'm up to $80, so I'm not really worried about losing anything. So if you could toss $100 at this cryptocurrency beast, and you get good at your trades, and you can make your 10% a day. Let's check out 1 week. You know, 1 week you could make your $100 back in 1 week. You know, if you leave that in there, you go a whole nother week. You know, we're up to $370. You know what I would do? I would take out $150 from this point, because I want a little bit of money back in my pocket. Now I've got my investment back. I've got no losses. I've got no reason to worry about what I'm gambling with anymore. So I'm just going to keep on gambling now that I ain't got no risk. I'm just going to, you know, 3 weeks in, you know, I'm going to build that up to 740. Here's where it's going to start to kind of go crazy once you're at this point. That's 1 month in. You make $1,400 a month on 10% trade every day. Obviously, we're not all going to win 10% every day. You might be lucky if you get 2%. You might lose 2%. You might lose 10%. But you know what? That's the fun of it. It's just a hobby for me, but it could turn into something bigger. You know, we're 0 to $1 million. That's the goal. We want to be a millionaire by the end of 2018. And I think cryptocurrency is going to be the way to go. I'm not really seeing what I can buy here. Who sends me messages? Sorry, distracted. I don't know what's going on. Oh man, I'm not really seeing a good position right now. Should have bought and hold. Here, hodl, man. Hodl like your life depends on it. I think we're going to try to find something good here for me to hold overnight. I'm going to get one of those good overnight trades. I'm going to try to make some money. You know, it's kind of a bigger risk because you can set your sell limits to get out at a certain time. But, ooh. What's Decentraland doing here? Taking a big old dump. Right? Right? We're on the right thing here. No, this is mana. We want mana. Give us mana. Mana's taking a dump. I think we can get a lot of mana. 440. Let's see if we can't make some money. Okay. So I got in at 440. Let's get us a long position. I got in at 440. So we want to see. You know I don't like making losses above 2%. Because I went all in with this. I'm thinking I want a 5% trade. That's where I want to be at. I'm going to be at 5%. I got to sell at 463. So let's just put it at, you know what would I have to get to make 10%? I'm going to risk this for you guys. Overnight trade. 10% at 484. So we're just gonna go with 480. We're gonna sell. Oh, we want to go max. Sell. Confirm. All right, guys. I'm logging off for the night. You got any questions? Check out the comments. You know, buy your first Bitcoins. You want to come on down here to a Coinbase, you put in $100, I get $10, you get $10. Investments that are trusted, that have been running for BitConnect about a year. USI Tech has been running for 9 years now. You know, those are your interests, about 1 to 2% a day. Free Bitcoins, you know, it's just a faucet. You don't got to put really any information in, just your email. Cash out once a week. It's a little gambling site, kind of fun. You want to hit me up? Discord, Twitter, Facebook. I'm using Bittrex to trade here. You know what? If you enjoyed the video, you liked it, you made some money, or you just thought I'm stupid and you want me to, you know, get out of the game, pay me to do it. Donate. Have a great day. Goodbye.